Hey, it's Marella Manelli, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways on how to detangle hair. So one way we can detangle the hair is to detangle it with a boar bristle brush before we shampoo and condition the hair. So the hair is at its weakest point when it's wet, so detangling it on dry hair is actually going to prevent further breakage. So one great way that you can detangle with a boar bristle brush is to go through in sections. So I personally like starting from the bottom and working my way up and taking my boar bristle right at the scalp and detangling right on down, especially working with hair that is really thick and dense like Grace's. A second way to detangle hair is to allow for the conditioner to seep into the hair for the maximum amount of time. So a great way to do this is to apply your conditioner from mids to ends first, and then whatever's left over, start to massage that into the scalp area. The number one tip that I give my clients is to shampoo and condition their hair first and then do their shower ritual and make sure that the last thing they do is rinse out their conditioner. So that way they can allow for the maximum amount of time for hydration. Now as a stylist, when we're at the shampoo bowl, you can take advantage of this time by giving your client a relaxing scalp massage. The third way to detangle hair is to finger comb while at the bowl. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you apply your conditioner on the mids and ends first and really work through the conditioner with your fingers. What this is going to do is help allow for even distribution of your product, as well as pre-detangle before we take her back for her final style. So the fourth way to detangling hair is to gently squeeze out the water from the hair utilizing a towel. You want to avoid rubbing the towel together with the hair because this can cause additional frizz and additional tangles. Now the fifth way to detangle hair is to use a wet brush and start from the bottom and then work your way right on up. But if you have a lot of hair like Grace, I encourage you to take 3 large sections starting from the occipital and then just clip this away. And now I'm going to use one of my favorite detanglers, which is the Pearl Detangler, which is going to give me lots of improved manageability, moisture, and shine. I really hope you enjoyed these 5 ways to detangling hair, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to check out my other tutorials on Kenra Professional's YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.